Now topic is shell, valency shell, valency electrons, and finally valency. Okay, now shell, valency shell, valence electrons, and valency. Now first we have to discuss about shell. First we have to discuss about shell. What is shell? Shell means where the electron are revolve around the nucleus. That path is called shell or orbit or energy level. Energy level. Okay, example, n is equal to 1 K shell, n is equal to 2 L shell, n is equal to 3 M shell, n is equal to 4 N shell. Okay, so this is the nucleus. Nucleus have positive charge. Around the positive nucleus orbits are present. In orbits electrons are revolve around the nucleus like this. These are orbits, these are orbits. So this is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. N is equal to 1 shell is called K shell. This is n is equal to 2 shell is called L shell. N is equal to 3 shell is called M shell. N is equal to 4 is called N shell. Okay, these are shells. Here electrons are revolve in these cells. That's why the cell or orbit means it is a path. It is a path where the electrons are revolve around the nucleus. Where the electrons are revolve around the nucleus. So that path is called orbit or shell or energy level. Okay, energy level 1, energy level 2, energy level 3, like this. These are cells. For example, chlorine. For example, chlorine. It is atomic number is 17. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Chlorine atomic number is 17. So its electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. It have 3 cells. This is K shell, this is L shell, this is M shell. So K, L, M, 3 cells are present in chlorine. Okay, this is the shells. So this is valency shell. These two are inner shells. This is valency shell. These are inner shells. These are inners. K and L inner cells, M is valency cell. Now I'll discuss about valency cell. Valency cell. Okay, valency cell. The outermost shell in atom is called valency cell. Valency shell. Valency cell means it is the outermost shell. Okay, for example, hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1. Electron configuration is 1s1. L K shell. This is the nucleus of hydrogen. This is the K shell, 1s1, electron configuration. This is 1 electron. This is the valence shell of the hydrogen. Valence shell of the hydrogen. Helium. Atomic number is 2. Electron configuration 1s2. It is also have K shell. This is the nucleus of helium. These are the 2 electrons of helium. 1s2 is also having K shell. 2 electrons. This is the valence shell of the helium. Now lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. So electron configuration 1s2, 2s1. It is K shell, it is L shell. So lithium nucleus. This is the lithium atom, nucleus and orbitals. So this is n is equal to 1 shell, n is equal to 2 shell, K shell, L shell. 1s2, 2s1, 1s2, 2s1. Okay, this is K shell, this is L shell. Okay, now L shell is valence shell. Now L shell is valence shell. So for the K and L. Now L shell is the outermost shell of the lithium. That's why K shell is valence shell. Once look at so here sodium atomic number is 11. Its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. K shell, L shell, M shell. 3 cells are there. Okay, this is the nucleus of sodium. This is K shell. N is equal to 1 K shell, 1s2. This is N is equal to 2 2s2, 2p6 L shell. This is N is equal to 3 M shell. 3s1. That is the valence shell. This is the valence shell. In that valence shell 3s1 orbital is there. So M shell is valence shell. Here M shell is valence. M shell is valence shell of sodium. M shell is valence shell of sodium. Okay, so which one is the outermost to the atom or element? That is valence shell. Okay students, next valence electrons. Valence electrons. Okay, valence electrons means the electrons present at valence shell. Electrons present at valence shell. Electrons present at valence shell. Those electrons are called valence electrons. Okay, so the electrons present at valence shell, those electrons are called valence electrons. Okay, those electrons are called valence electrons. Listen all of you. For example, sodium atomic number is 11. Electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. K shell, L shell. This is M shell. Now for the sodium, M shell is valence shell. For the sodium, M shell is valence shell. This is valence shell. Valence shell. Now the electrons present in valence shell. The electrons present in valence shell. Electrons present in valence shell. Those electrons are called valence electrons. Okay. Now these are the valence electrons of sodium. How many valence electrons here? One valence electron. One electron present in M shell. Valence shell. Here M shell is valence shell. One electron present in valence shell. That is 3s1. That is 3s1 electron. That is 3s1 electron. One electron is there. In valence shell, in 3s1, one electron is there. So that is the valence electrons. For example, chlorine, 17 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, k shell, L shell, M shell. This is the valence shell. In valence how many electrons are there? In valence cell 7 electrons are there. 2 plus 5, 3s2, 3p5. So in valence cell 5 electrons, 7 electrons are there. For chlorine, 7 valence electrons are there. Electrons. For calcium atomic number 20. Calcium atomic number 20. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. Now here 4 cells are there. For example, according to cell diagram, this is K shell, this is L shell, this is M shell, this is N shell. For calcium, N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, N is equal to 4. This is K shell, N is equal to 1 K shell, N is equal to 1 K shell, N is equal to 2, N is equal to L shell, N is equal to 3, M shell, N is equal to 4, N shell, N shell. Okay, now here electron configuration, this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. Now this is valence cell. N shell is valence cell. N shell is valence cell. So the electron present in valence cell, those are valence electrons. Now how many electrons are present in valence cell? 2 electrons. Those are 4s2. The valence cell contain 4s2 orbital. Those 4s2 orbital contain 2 electrons. So the valence electrons of the calcium, of the calcium 2. The valence electrons of the calcium 2. Now valency. Next topic is valency. Next topic is valency. What is valency? What is valency means the combining capacity. The combining capacity of an element. The combining capacity of an element. The combining capacity of an element is valency. The combining capacity of an element is valency. Okay. So an element is bond with how many hydrogens? There is combining capacity. That is valency. For example, valence means an element trying to getting an element trying to getting stability, by the loss or gain of electrons. An element trying to getting stability by the loss or gain of electrons, like to by through octet electronic configuration. Octet electronic configuration, like noble gas elements. Like noble gas elements. An element trying to getting stability by the loss or gain of electrons through the strict electronic configuration like noble gas elements. How many noble gas elements in period table? 6 noble gas elements in our period table. Those are noble gas elements. Noble gas element. More stable elements. More stable elements. More stable elements by octet electronic configuration. Impression in its valency shell. Valency shell. In its valency shell. For example, helium except helium remaining all are octet electron configuration, except helium remaining all are octet electron configuration, but helium is duplet. Helium is duplet electronic configuration because of its valence shell. 2 electrons are there in helium, 2 valence electrons are, that's why it is duplet. Remaining all are neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, all are octet electron configuration. 2s2 2p6 octet, 8 electrons in their valence shell. Neon, argon 3s2 3p6, it is also octet electron configuration. Krypton, it is also octet electron configuration in its valence shell. In its valence shell, the noble gas elements are contain octet electron. Due to the octet electron configuration, the noble gas elements are more stable. So like these noble gas elements, remaining all elements are trying to getting stability by the loss or gain of the electrons. For example, chlorine atomic number is 9. It's electron 1s2 2s2 2p5. Okay, for the fluorine nearest noble gas element is neon atomic number is 10. Its electron configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6. In its valence shell 6 electrons are there. In valence shell 7 electrons. In valence shell 8 electrons. Valence shell 8 electrons. Octet. Valence, this is valence shell. Contains 7 electrons. So how many electrons are required to getting like neon electron configuration for the fluorine? 1 electron is required. By the gaining of that 1 electron, in neon also, fluorine also getting neon like electron configuration, like octet electron. Once look at here, the electron is added to fluorine. Fluorine become as fluoride, F minus ion, fluoride ion, F minus. So now here atomic number of fluorine here also 9, here also 9, but here electrons are 9, here electrons are 10. 1s2 2s2 2p5, but here 1s2 2s2 2p6. In valence shell octet electron configurations, octet electron configurations get by the gain of electron. By the gain of electron, the fluorine become as F minus anion. F minus, it become as anion. This fluorine anion getting octet electron configuration in its valence shell like neon. 1s2 2s2 2p6, 1s2 2s2 2p6. In its valence shell, neon also having neon having 8 electrons in valence shell. Now F minus also having 8 electrons in valence shell. That's why it is also octet electronic configuration. Now F minus is more stable than fluorine. Now valency of fluorine is 1 because of 1 electron is required. 1 electron is required to getting octet electron configuration like neon. 1 electron is required to getting octet electron configuration like neon. Okay na? So fluorine valency is is 1. Fluorine valence is 1 because of fluorine require 1 electron like to getting like neon electron configuration. One sodium atomic number is 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. K shell, L shell, M shell. For the sodium, nearest noble gas is neon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p6. This is the electron configuration of neon. So, how many electrons are more excess than neon in sodium? How many electrons are excess more than neon in sodium? 1 electron, that is 3s1 electron. The 3s1 electron is excess than neon. That's why the electron is removed. The electron is lost. Look at here, Na and become as Na plus by the loss of an electron. Now here atomic number is 11. It is atomic number 11. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s0. The valence electron of the sodium will be lost to getting electronic configuration like neon. So it is also getting electronic like neon. It is always atomic number here also 11, here also 11, but it is getting neon electron configuration only. But sodium ion is always sodium ion, not a neon. But it is electron configuration look like neon only. Electron configuration look like neon due to getting stability. So the neon Na plus is more stable than Na plus is more stable than Na because octet electronic configuration in its valence shell by the loss of an electron, by the loss of one electron. So that is valency. Now valency of hydrogen. Now valence of sodium is 1. Valency of sodium is 1. Okay. So now valency atom valency. Atom and valency. Now hydrogen valency 1, helium 0 valency, lithium valency 1, beryllium valency 2, boron 3, carbon 4,